So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video we are going to be discussing about an exciting job opportunity that is floated by renowned company IBM on its website, where freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply, and this job is open for multiple locations in India. So if you are interested in this kind of job role, please do watch this video very carefully till the end. And in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it, and please do like this video to support my channel as it gives me a lot of motivation. Now let's discuss about this particular job role. This is for the role of analyst in company IBM, and here the major job duty that you will have to do is you will have to analyze the documents of customers of the clients of IBM. So IBM works for certain clients. So here you will be working with global banking clients of IBM. So they have outsourced this work to IBM, and IBM is hiring candidates who can check the documents of customers of these banks and verify those documents. So this is known as KYC, which is know your customer. So you should have all the documents related to those customers, and if you don't have those documents, you have to ask the customer about these documents, verify these documents that all of them are true, and if you find any suspicious document, or if a customer has done any suspicious transaction, you will have to report it to the higher management of IBM, which then later will report it to the global banks whom they are working for. So it is this kind of simple job role which requires you to have good analytical skills basically. Now regarding who can apply for this job role, so any graduate is eligible to apply for this job role. They have written 0 to 1 year experience, but maybe if you have higher experience you can still apply, but you should be within the salary range. So salary range they haven't mentioned on website, so but whatever I have read is it will be between 3 to 4.5 LPA, which is good salary considering that they are only considering 0 to 1 year experience. And this role is open for multiple locations. I'll show you later for what locations it is open and how you can apply. But first let us discuss about the interview rounds. So interview rounds, sometimes they take the online test also related to logical reasoning and aptitude questions. So I have made many videos, you can watch them. But sometimes it is not conducted also, so I'm not 100% sure, but two rounds will definitely be conducted. One is the HR round and other is the round with team manager or team leader. So there they will ask you certain situational based questions, role based questions, and about yourself. So you should be prepared about these questions, and I'll discuss them by taking you to my computer screen, and I'll also show you how you can apply for these roles. So friends, now I have taken you to my computer screen, and I'll discuss some of the interview questions that can be asked in HR or the manager round. So they can be: talk about the time when you realized that you had made a mistake and how you covered for it. Because in this role you can make mistakes while checking the documents, so this question can be asked. So I've covered a question before: talk about a time when you failed in the past and how you recovered. So you can watch my video related to that and you will get the sample answer, because that question and this question will be pretty similar. Then they can ask you, what do you know about IBM? So you should be aware about it. IBM full form is International Business Machines Corporation, is a technology based company. The company operates through five segments: cloud and cognitive software, global business services, global technology services, systems, and global financing. So here I have highlighted global financing because you will be working in global financing division. So you should be aware about this. Then talk about your college project and your achievements in college. So this they can definitely ask you, and they ask this question many times. So I've covered this many times, how to answer about your college project. So you basically have to focus on the soft skills that you used in your college project, like analytical skills, communication skills, and just state what that project was, but don't go too much into technical details because then nobody will be able to understand it. Then talk about a challenging situation in your life and how you dealt with it. so that you can describe according to your situation. It could be anything, but just use the star technique: situation, task, action and result technique, which I have explained many times in my other videos. Then some other questions can be: how do you expect your typical workday to be like? So here I would suggest you to read about the job description carefully, and what I've already explained you, that you will have to be checking the details of the customers of banking division, and you will check their KYC. Why you believe you are best fit for this role? So this again I have covered many times, like why should we hire you? This is similar to that. So here you have to talk about your strengths and give example where you displayed these strengths. What do you understand by due diligence? Because you will have to do due diligence sometimes. So it is nothing but it is an investigation or review performed to confirm facts or details of a matter under consideration, like checking of financial records. So it is a very simple thing. Then they can ask you some questions related to Excel commands and some logical based questions also in the interview. So you should be prepared for that, and for that you can watch my videos for Amazon aptitude test and Excel interview questions, where I have used all the important skills of Excel that are asked in interviews. So now I'll show you how you can apply for this role. So I have loaded this on my website. This is for Delhi NCR, Pune, Bangalore as well as Chennai. So Delhi NCR position is a little bit different. You can go through that. These three are absolutely same: Pune, Chennai and Bangalore. Analyst, risk and compliance. So it is related to KYC document verification only. This one is a little different, but some similarity were there. So I have loaded this also. So you can just click on any one of them where you want to apply according to your location, and read about these things and just go to apply for this job, and you will be redirected to this page where you can easily go there, read about all the details and apply for this. So friends, I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get your CV modified for this role or any other role, I've given the link in the description box, as I have started this service and many have already taken this service. So you can check out that, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till